What are you eating? Corn?
Yeah.
Say corn.
Cool.
Good or no good?
No.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Don't eat the plastic. He's gonna have grease all over.
Uh-oh.
Don't climb down without me. I'm right here. Are you saying cheese? Are you saying cheese?
Yeah.
Well, what about your corn? Are you done eating it?
Yeah.
You are? What's all over your leg? You just took a bath. Uh-oh. Is this all dirty now?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Use a towel. Behind you's a towel. Don't fall.
No.
No fall.
Down.
Down?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Can I give you a towel first? Will you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, nighty-night.
Night.
Blow kisses. Ah. Love you.
Bye.
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 Oh, what was that?
Me.
What was that noise?
Me.
What was that noise?
Me.
What'd you do?
Me.
What was that noise, Sam Sam?
Me.
What'd you do? What was it? What'd you do? Was it a burp?
No.
What was it? Fart!
Pee.
Oh my gosh. Bye.
Bye, baby.
Hey,
Hi, son.
Sam Dad downstairs.
He's in the hole. Listen, I made you that corn right there for you. On the corner with lots of butter and salt. You don't want it? Sam loved hers. It was good.
Well, that's her.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Don't touch my shirt. Good night.
Night.